Have you been experiencing a hard time breathing at night during the winter? Well, this is due to dry air in your house. Winter could get really dry and stale, but here's a couple ways we can improve this. Firstly, get yourself a humidifier. A humidifier will balance out the moisture levels in your house. Secondly, change your filters. This is really important as your filters collect dust and allergens. And then for the ultimate experience, we would suggest getting yourself a home air purifier. And let's say none of these work out, you can always call a professional.